Hello friends, today I'm going to make Spanish omelette. Now for Spanish omelette, what I've taken is I've taken around 4 eggs. So I have taken 2 bowls. So in one bowl I have taken around 3 eggs and in another bowl I have taken around 1 egg. Now why I have separated this, I'll discuss that later on as I show you this video. Now I'm going to add some ingredients to it because this is into 3:1 ratio. So the ingredients also has to be added into 3:1 ratio. The first ingredient that I will add is pepper powder. So I'll add pepper powder to both of them. The next thing that I will add is salt as per taste, and this is table salt. If you want, you can also add rock salt. I'm going to add little bit of red chili powders to both of them, and remember that the proportion is around 3:1 for both of them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix these eggs well. So for both the bowls I'm going to mix these eggs well till the time they just become like liquidated paste. So I've smashed eggs on both the bowls and they are ready. So let's move ahead. I've taken a little bit of refined oil in a container. Let's wait till it's get heated. And for making this Spanish omelette, I'm going to take certain vegetables. Vegetables can be of your choice, but what vegetables I've taken is I've taken a little bit of carrot, I have taken around 3 green chilies, I've taken a little bit of green peas, I've taken 1 big size onion, and I have crushed them to very small sizes. I've taken a little bit of capsicum and I've crushed them to small sizes, and I've taken potatoes, and I have also have made small pieces out of it. Apart from that, I have taken the coriander leaves. Now I'm also going to add the coriander leaves over here. So we will add the coriander leaves right away to both of these bowls, which is 3:1 ratio, and we'll mix them. We'll just gently mix them. So I think my oil is heated up. So all the vegetables that I have taken, I have to add into this, and I have to fry it for another 3 to 5 minutes. So I have added all these vegetables, and in medium flame I am going to cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. I am going to add a little bit of table salt as per the taste, and a little bit of chili powder as per the taste. I'm going to mix that well. I'm going to add little bit of soya sauce, little bit, and then we'll mix it. After mixing it well, we'll close the container and we'll cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Let me tell you that Spanish omelette is something not like the normal omelette that we eat in India. It is a very heavy dish, so I think ideally 1 to 2 person can eat it. Otherwise, if you're preferring it for dinner, so ideally this omelette can be eaten by 1 person. So it's a very heavy dish. After 5 minutes, my vegetables are half cooked, almost 50% cooked. So you don't have to worry because we are going to cook these vegetables further when we are going to prepare the Spanish omelette. So I'm now going to transfer this to a container. Now I have taken a pan over here. I've added oil and it is heated up. So I'm going to take the eggs. So this is the bowl where I have added around 3 eggs and smashed them. So I'm going to add this egg and I'm going to spread it everywhere consistently. I'm going to shake the pan so that the egg is evenly spread out everywhere, and I'm going to cook it on a very low flame. Now this is a dish where we have to keep a lot of patience. Normally the omelette that we prepare in India gets prepared in 2 to 3 minutes, but this is an omelette which takes altogether 20 to 25 minutes, around half an hour to prepare it. So I'm going to cook this on a very medium flame. Now I'm going to add all my vegetables over here. The vegetables which I made. I've added all the vegetables. Let me spread them uniformly everywhere so that the vegetables are spreaded everywhere. Now I'm going to add the oregano powders. Oregano powder is something that is readily available in the Indian market these days. Even if you don't have the oregano powder, you can use the powder. You can use the one that you get from the, I think normally when you order pizzas from the Domino's or Pizza Hut, I think you get oregano, so you can use them as well. So I have the ready-made oregano available. So this is the same oregano that we use to garnish the pizzas. Now I have taken around two cubes of cheese, which I'm going to add to it. So let me add the cheese to it. So I have added all the cheese over here. I'm now going to cover it up and we'll cook it around 3 minutes. We'll cook this till all the cheese that we have added gets melted and gets mixed with the Spanish omelette. So I can see that my cheese is almost half cooked. Now what I'm going to do is, I had taken the remaining egg which I had taken, which was actually smashed, and this is roughly I think 1 egg that I have taken. I'm going to add it over here. So I'm going to add it from the top and I'm going to spread it evenly. I'm going to cover it up and we will cook it for another 2 minutes again. In the meantime, I think the base of the Spanish omelette is cooked. If I use a spatula, you can see I can remove it easily. It looks just like a pizza. So I think it's ready now. In the meanwhile, I have taken another pan and I have heated the oil. Now this is a very important phase. So now I'm going to switch off the flame and I'm going to put this pan over this and I have to flip it up. Now this flipping activity has to be done very carefully. Now I have flipped it and it's on the another pan. We'll cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes in very low flame. I'm going to cover this up. I think my Spanish omelette is ready now. I'm going to transfer this to a plate. So my Spanish omelette is ready and I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces. So my Spanish omelette is ready. I'm going to add a little bit of butter on top of it. So I'm just adding on butter from top of it. For garnishing, I've added slight layer of tomato sauce on this to have a very good taste. I'm going to add a little bit of further oregano on this. I've added oregano on this and now I'm going to put a little bit of coriander leaves to garnish. Let me tell you, if the Spanish omelette is prepared very properly, it is even tastier than pizza. Yeah. So my Spanish omelette is ready. It looks very delicious. I'm very good to have it. So in the meantime, you keep watching the video. If you have any kind of suggestions, please keep letting me know. Till the time, take care. Thank you. Good night. Yeah. Have a happy weekend. Bye bye.